Hey YouTube, FrostySith here. Thanks for joining the channel today for the first of what hopefully will become a trend for Teaser Tuesdays, the first Tuesday in the month, where I tell you about 5 things that are going to be coming up in the current month. So for June 2019, I've got a list here. So coming out pretty early in the month, we're going to have our Black Mesa trip video that's coming out. I should be, by the end of the month, getting some new camera gear, which will be pretty cool. I don't want to give it away what it is, but by the end of the month I should receive it. I pre-ordered it before the release on May 31st, and I'm just waiting to get it in the mail at this point. But that'll be kind of cool, and I'll share that with you with an unboxing when that comes in. And then we're going to continue the Keto Trail series, have a few more recipes that are already in the queue to come out. And one of them that I'm going to be working on is a keto pho, or pho, depending on how you want to pronounce it, but P-H-O. And it's basically a noodle soup, and this will be keto, low carb, and definitely oriented for trail and rehydration, that kind of thing. So be on the lookout for that in the month of June. We had some requests for a couple things. The main one is what's in my pack, what do I carry for, you know, the kind of backpacking and stuff that we do. And so I'll probably touch on that, and that the 5th thing related to that will probably be a 10 essentials video. So what are the 10 things that I think you should also always carry with you when you're hiking, whether it's just a day trip with the family and friends, or it's a weekend warrior trip, or it's an extended 7 to 10 day expedition style trip in a major, you know, mountain area. There's always at least 10 things that you should take with you, so we'll probably go over that. Anyway, that's the Tuesday teaser, keeping it short. Join in. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and make sure when you do to hit the bell so that you'll get notifications from YouTube anytime new video content is posted to the channel. Again, thanks for joining. See ya.